Timeshare Transfer Considerations in Maryland by Brian Pendergraft of the Pendergaft firm, LLC. A timeshare transfer is the process of transferring your timeshare outright to other persons or adding a co-owner to your timeshare. It's very comparable to transferring a standard property deed. After all, timeshare transfers are done using deeds. For more information about transferring deeds in Maryland, in general, check out my article on how to transfer deeds. For the overly simplified version, transferring a deed is simply drafting a deed, executing, recording, and paying transfer taxes. Transferring a timeshare in Maryland works much the same way. However, there are some different issues that are raised. The intent of this article is to explore those different issues. Let's get into it. Issue 1. Can I transfer my timeshare whenever I want? In most cases, no. The resort or organization that you purchase your timeshare from most likely retain the right to approve your decision to add or remove owners. In addition, they generally charge a fee to do this, but they generally do not charge you and approve your transfer until after you brought them an already executed timeshare deed. Issue 2. Do the privileges and burden of my timeshare transfer with it? Yes, they do. Both the privileges and burdens that come with the timeshare are transferred to the transferee, as with any real estate transfer. But this is particularly important to consider before transferring timeshares because there are because there are maintenance costs, and it may be difficult to get out of the timeshare once they are in. People who are being added to timeshare should know what they are getting into. Everyone loves staying at resorts, but not everyone loves paying annual dues. Do I have to hire an attorney to do my timeshare transfer? In most cases, your resort will not draft the necessary documents to transfer your timeshare for you. It is possible for you to draft your own timeshare deed, but I highly recommend consulting with an experienced title or real estate attorney to make sure that it's done correctly. Do I have to pay transfer taxes when transferring my timeshare? Maybe. The state charges recordation and transfer taxes on timeshares. The charges are based on the assessed value of your timeshare. However, in many timeshare transfers, the intended recipient may qualify for a transfer tax exemption. For instance, transfers to close family members such as spouses, siblings, parents, and children are exempt from state recordation and transfer taxes. Whether or not you'll be charged county transfer taxes varies from county to county. Some explicitly do not charge for timeshare transfers. If you have any questions about how much your transfer taxes will be, I highly recommend consulting with an attorney. How long does the timeshare transfer process take? It depends. The biggest bottleneck seems to be the county recordation office. It can take up to 90 days to get the transfer deed back from the county. Sometimes it can take as little as 2 weeks. From there, it's how fast your resort or vacation spot approves. They have their own process that they have to go through. Anyways, if you need help transferring your timeshare in Maryland, do not hesitate to contact the Pendergraft firm, LLC. I hope you've enjoyed this audio blog, and I am Brian Pendergraft, the author. That's right. This is narrated by me. And you can contact me by clicking the link in the description. Take care.